Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of computer graphics. Those are introduction to the raster scan system and some of the basic concept of computer graphics. The raster scan system are the fundamental building blocks of the computer graphics, and these systems use grid of the individual pixels to create an image, with each pixel that consisting of the color and the intensity determined by the computer graphics processor. The raster is a rectangular array of the points or the dots. These are consisting of the vertical and horizontal lines that are forming the grid. The pixel that one dot or the picture elements of the raster, its intensity ranges of the pixels depends on the capability of the system. The raster scan system and the pixel concepts are an image of the is a composed of the grid of the individual pixels and each with its own uh, color value. The resolution of the raster image is determined by the number of the pixels per inch or the dots per inch. The pixels are the fundamental building blocks of the raster display, with each pixel representing the specific color or the uh, grayscale's value. The arrangement and the density of these pixels create the visual representation of the image. The raster display consisting of some of the output devices, those are CRT and the LCD monitors. Then these represents the images as a grid of the individual pixels and each with a unique color and the brightness value. And these devices employ the raster scan technique where an electron beam or the liquid crystal elements sequentially light up each pixel on the screen and creating the illusion of the continuous image. The raster display that consisting of the rectangular array of the picture elements that is called as a pixel, and the pixel that emits a single color, and the color of the each pixel is stored in the frame buffer and the image rendered in the combined effect of these pixels. And the scan conversion algorithm consisting of the four main algorithms, those are rasterization and the line drawing algorithm and the polygon filling algorithm and the anti-aliasing. In the rasterization, we discuss about the shapes as a pixels, and the line drawing algorithm is all about the drawing of a straight lines, and polygon filling algorithm or the technique is for about the filling arbitrary polygons, and the anti-aliasing is all about the reducing the jagged edges and stair stepping. And the scan conversion algorithm are the fundamental to raster-based computer graphics, and they take the geometric shapes like a line, circle, and the polygons, and convert them into the discrete pixels that make up the digital image. And the line drawing algorithms are consisting of a Bresenham's algorithm and Blue's algorithm. The Bresenham's algorithm is that uses the integer operations to draw the line between the 2 points on the raster display, and it minimizes the number of pixel updates required. And Wu's algorithm, that an anti-aliasing line drawing algorithm that produces the smooth and high quality lines by calculating the intensity of the each pixel among the lines. And the other one is DDA, that is digital differential analyzer, that a straightforward line drawing algorithm that uses a floating point, so that it is less efficient than that of the resonance algorithm. And the circle drawing algorithm that consisting of the midpoint algorithm and resonance algorithm and digital differential analyzer, the midpoint algorithm that calculates the next pixel based on the midpoint between the current pixel and the ideal circle position. And the Bresenham's algorithm, as we know, that it uses the integer value for the formation of the circle, and DDA that uses a floating point of the floating point and calculates the determine the next pixel. Then the polygon filling algorithm are consisting of a line scale algorithm, scan line algorithm, and flood fill algorithm, and boundary fill algorithm. In the scan line algorithm, it determines the edges of the polygon and fills the inside pixels row by row. And in flood fill algorithm, that start at the point inside the polygon and recursively fill the enclosed area. And in boundary fill algorithm, it starts at a point on the polygon boundary and fills the enclosed area. The polygon filling algorithm are the essential for rendering the 2D graphics on the computer screens, and they determine which pixels to color in order to represent the interior of the polygon. And popular methods of the that includes the that are scan line algorithm, that flood fill algorithm, and the boundary fill algorithm, each with their own advantages. Then anti-aliasing techniques are pixel sampling and super sampling. In pixel sampling, these are addresses the problem of jagging edges and aliasing artifacts by the carefully sampling the pixel values to create the smoother appearance. And then it involves the calculating the appropriate color of the for the each pixel based on the underlying geometry. And in super sampling techniques that renders the scene at the higher resolution and then downscales it into the final display resolution, and this helps to reduce the jagged edges and provide the more natural and organic look for the image. It also consisting of some of the hardware implementation. Those are display devices, graphic pipeline, and system architecture. The display devices are CRTs that are cathode ray tubes and the liquid crystal displays, and graphic pipeline that includes the dedicated hardware. The components, those are frame buffers, video controller, and digital to analog converter for the conversion of the digital image to the analog signals. Then the system architecture, those are display the hardware with the computer, central processing unit, memory, and the input output system systems. And this allows the system to rapidly generate the process and update the raster image data in the response to the user interactions and application for the requirements. And though it consisting of both the limitations and advantages, the advantages of these raster scan systems are then these offer the high resolution, flexibility in the display images, and efficient hardware implementation, and they also enable the complex graphics and animations. And the limitations of this raster scan systems are these are limited to geometric transformation and transformation capability is less and can suffer from the visual artifacts like jagged lines and aliasing, and also requires a high storage system. The trade-offs for this raster scan system are balancing the image quality and memory usage and processing the power advancement in the hardware. Then yeah, these are the trade-offs of this raster scan system. This is all about the raster scan system and some of the basic concept of computer graphics. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.